Good evening, everyone. After a sunny start to the day, more clouds have started to stream in, and Skytrack even shows that we did have a few isolated flurries across our southwestern counties. Nothing in the way of accumulation with that system, and those were very isolated, if anything, across the area. And as we zoom out further, you can see these clouds are part of a larger system that are going to eventually bring some rain showers to central Illinois, but we're going to remain dry through the overnight hours, so we're still several hours away from that precipitation. The main story today has been the cold temperatures, and it's been even colder further off to our northwest. It's only 5 degrees right now in Fort Wayne, 7 in South Bend. We're in the teens to low 20s across central Illinois. And further off to the southwest, you'll notice those warmer temperatures, relatively warmer temperatures. They're going to start moving into our area through the overnight hours. And again, right now, as I mentioned, we're in the teens to 20s across the area, 22 in Paris, 19 in Charleston, 20 over in Decatur and Taylorville. 21 degrees right now in Effingham. However, winds out of the southeast are making it feel even colder than that. Only feeling like 2 right now in Danville, feeling like 7 in Charleston, along with Taylorville, and feeling like 8 degrees down in Robinson. And if you're not a fan of this colder weather, I have some good news for you. For tomorrow, we're actually going to see highs climb a few degrees above average, up to 40 degrees on Tuesday. However, that warming trend is going to be short-lived. Another cold front going to slide through Tuesday night going into Wednesday, dropping our highs to 29 on Wednesday. And that high is going to even be at midnight, so temperatures fall from there. Back up to 30 for Thursday. But then another Arctic blast of cold air arrives, and that's going to drop our highs down to 15 degrees for Friday. For the overnight hours, though, we're actually going to notice a warming trend into the evening hours. 21 at midnight, and those temperatures are going to continue to climb under mostly cloudy skies, winds from the southeast at 10 to 15 miles an hour. And those are going to continue with us throughout the day on Tuesday and continue to get stronger. We may see a few peaks of sunshine to start Tuesday, but we will notice those clouds fill in across the area. Once we get into the early afternoon hours, that's when those rain chances start to ramp up across the region. As we get into the evening hours, you'll notice those rain chances overspread the area. We could see some steady showers through the evening hours on Tuesday, and those are going to continue with us into the later evening hours, through the overnight hours, even some pockets of heavier rain mixed in as we approach the midnight hour. So breaking down your Tuesday, the first day of the work week for many across the area. Back to school, we'll start with mostly cloudy skies. It will be breezy, and temperatures are going to be steadily climbing for us throughout the day. We'll actually have our daytime highs into the evening hours up to 40 degrees, but it will be windy. And looking at Futurecast wind gusts, we'll have wind gusts around 30 miles an hour and peaking upwards of 40 miles an hour once we get into the evening. So on top of the rain, it is going to be windy. But on the backside of this system, cold air is going to be rushing in, so that could change some of the precipitation over to a wintry mix, even some snow, freezing rain, and sleet possible as we get into Wednesday morning. So do prepare for some slick conditions for Wednesday morning's commute. Accumulations look to be really light with this system, though. And by noon on Wednesday, that precipitation has moved out of the area, but we do remain under mostly cloudy skies. We will start to notice those skies clear out into the evening hours on Wednesday. And looking at the next 7 days, we do have more sunshine coming in for Thursday and Friday. However, that's when another blast of cold air comes in down to 3 Friday morning. 15 is where we get for Friday, the daytime high, and then more chances of snow arrive Saturday and a wintry mix on Monday.